Vechain, VT, and Vether, VTHO, tokens go up 20% and 40%, respectively. Bulls take over the Vechain ecosystem. The values of Vechain's VT and VTHO tokens are going through the roof. VET hit a 10-month high and has gone up 45% in 2 weeks, while VTHO has gone up 43% in a week. Investors are feeling good about the future of the Vechain environment, which is causing prices to rise in VT and VTHO. The worth of VT, Vechain's main utility token, has gone up a lot. Before the positive trend started on November 30th, VT had been stable for 3 weeks. In particular, the value of the cryptocurrency went from $0.0163 on October 19th to $0.023 on November 9th, a huge rise of 41% in just 3 weeks. The price did face strong support at $0.023, though, which stopped the rally. Then, from November 9th to November 30th, VT saw 3 more weeks of stabilization. On the daily chart, a bullish flag appeared during this phase of stabilization, which is worth noticing. Because of this, VT went from $0.0217 on November 30th to a 10-month high of $0.0316 in just 2 weeks, a huge 45% rise. Even though there was resistance at $0.0316, VET has continued to rise. It is now selling at 3 cents, which means it has gone up 20% in the last week and down 2% in the last 24 hours. Following suit, VTHO also sees a 43% weekly rise. Even though VT has gotten more press, the price of VTHO, the Vechain gas token, has gone up about the same amount, though more quickly. Late in October, VTHO also started to rise. It went from a low of $0.00103 on October 19th to $0.00162 on November 8th, a 57% increase. Like with VT, there was resistance when VTHO first hit its peak. When VT hit its limit, it stayed put. On the other hand, VTHO's price dropped for a short time, reaching $0.00126. But the bears quickly came back, so this drop was only brief. After this drop, VTHO came back strong, rising an amazing 157% to hit a price high of $0.00324, which hadn't been seen since May 2022. On the other hand, at this 19-month high, new support showed up, stopping any further gains. In just 1 week, the price of VTHO has gone up an amazing 43%, and it is now trading at $0.00243. If VTHO tried to get back to the $0.00324 high, it would probably run into trouble at the $0.00281 level. The bulls need to take defensive action to stop the price from falling below the important $0.00225 support level. As good news comes in, market excitement grows. Traders and investors are both excited about the latest developments in the Vechain environment. Due to these changes, VTHO and VET prices and interest may continue to rise. Vechain's blockchain is still making progress in a good way, but the cryptocurrency markets are nervously waiting for a possible bull run.